Hey, this is Amber from Local Leads Co. We had spoken to you the other day and had mentioned we would send over this really short screencast to you, just kind of going over 3 areas in which you could make some changes on your own to bring more clients in the door and to scale your business. So I'll go ahead and jump right into it. I have your website pulled up here, New Tampa Pressure Washing. Let me go to the home page. I'm at the home page. Okay. So, overall, it seems pretty simple and short, straight to the point. I do like that you have this slideshow here showing your work and what you've done. I think that's really important, in your line of work. If there's one area I would critique you, it would just be in the amount of content that you have. The reason I say that is because that's one of the number 1 things that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your business. So I would definitely recommend just adding on more words. Google generally likes to see around 1,000 to 1,500 words on the front page, and then around 700 to 1,000 on your back pages, so like your service pages and things like that. And the reason that is because they just want to know you're legitimate. They want to know you have something to say, and it's not just fluff. So that's one area of opportunity I recommend for you. I would also recommend more photos. That way it's just a little bit more visually appealing to the eye when someone comes to your website, and it kind of draws their attention. And maybe even some more colors to kind of just give it a little bit of, pop. So I have your top competitor here, and I'm just going to kind of compare what they have and let you know what you can do to kind of outrank them and get your website to the top of Google. So your top competitor in the Tampa Bay area is Pete's Pressure Washing. So the first thing I see when I pull up this website is a large photo. So definitely very captivating, visually appealing. Looks like they have some reviews here. They have quite a little bit more content, but not much more. Looks like they have some videos of their work, and then just some more photos of what they do as well. So I would definitely recommend, just getting more photos on your front page. You would be so surprised and how big of a difference that makes. And then just making it a little bit more brighter as well. In comparison with their website, though, it doesn't look like they have a whole lot of content either. They do have more overall in their front page, but they don't have a lot of content, so that's definitely an area where I don't see you having an issue beating them. I think overall, though, I would just upgrade, getting more photos to your page, getting more content, and then making it a little bit more visually appealing. That would draw your customers' attention. Your number 2 competitor is First Response Pressure Wash. I believe whenever you type in pressure washing in Tampa, they come up number 3. So I have their website pulled up here. They have just a little bit more content actually. They have some effects here, more photos as well. They have this parallax where you can scroll over a photo, and then actually quite a bit more content and words as well. So just to kind of compare where you're at versus your competitor and what you can do to beat them. So those are just a few areas in regards to your content and your actual website, or the actual look of your website. Second thing I want to go through with you is kind of the back end of your website. We use this tool called Ahrefs. It shows you the ins and out of a website, how it's ranking, where it's at compared to other websites, and things of that nature. So I have your website pulled up here. One thing that we do look at is keywords. So for instance, if someone types in pressure washing in Tampa, you can see that that's a keyword that you use, or New Tampa Pressure Washing. That's something that's searched 20 times per month. You're in the top position for that. I would definitely work on getting you scaled out for more areas, so just Tampa versus New Tampa, power washing in Tampa, You get 40 searches. Looks like you're in the 80th position. It keeps going. It goes from top to bottom. So those are some of your keywords. It looks like pressure washing near Tampa. They get about 150 volume. Looks like you're in the second position for that. So keywords are definitely important when it comes to ranking your website. And we'd want to get you keywords for the surrounding areas as well, not just Tampa. That scales your business and gets more clients from all over in the door. I'll go to your top competitor. Again, that's Peter's Pressure Washing. Looks like they have quite a bit more keywords. Pressure washing in Tampa, they're in the top position. That's a big one. They get 150 search volume, so they're potentially getting 150 clients a month just from that keyword alone. So that's just a little bit about keywords. It brings me to my second point, second thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking a website. And what that is it's called backlinks. They show right here. You have 22 backlinks. And what a backlink is it's just a different website or URL referring back to your website. Backlinks are very important, and of course, the more the better. Not only that, but it's important to get good quality backlinks as well. You don't want to get spammy websites referring back to your website because that brings your potential ranking down. Google is able to see that. Google is very smart, and they'll be able to see if you're just getting random websites referring back to your website. You want to get good, credible links that are mentioning your business, and as a result, getting you good quality backlinks. So you have 22. Your top competitor has quite a few. They have 978 backlinks. And then your second top competitor has 156. So that's definitely an area of opportunity for you if you're wanting to grow and scale your business. And then the third thing that Google looks at when it comes to ranking your website is what's called citations. This is another tool that we use. It's called WhiteSpark. And this shows you how many citations you have and from what sites. Now, what a citation is pretty much your business name, address, and phone number in a bunch of directories, in social media platforms, pretty much all over the internet. So, of course, the more citations, the better, because the more your business is getting out there. It looks like you have a total of 25 citations. Your top competitor has 59, and then your second top competitor has 29. So, definitely an opportunity of growth for you would be in citations as well. Just, of course, getting your business out there and letting the world know about who you are and what you have to offer. So, that was just 3 areas I wanted to go over with you. And those are changes that you can, of course, make on your own. It is quite a bit tedious and can be time consuming, but it's not impossible at all. So I just wanted to kind of give you just a little bit of insight in how you can help your business grow. If you have any questions for me at all, I would love to touch base with you. And if not, that's okay too. I hope you got some informative information about your website. But my information is below this email, so I would love to hear from you and kind of touch base with you. So yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate your time.